Hi everyone. So we have AMC 8 problems. So this is number 11 on 2022. So the Henry the donkey has a very long piece of pasta, like pasta. He takes a number of bites and each time eating 3 inches of from the middle of the one piece. Okay, so this is the, I guess, key part. In the end, he has 10 pieces of pasta. Those total line will be 17 inches. So this is what's basically remaining. How long in inches was the piece of pasta when he started? Okay, so like it's not really clear at first, be honest. But I'll try to make a long piece of pasta, right? And then we are told the donkey is actually eating 3 pieces, like 3 inches of piece from the middle of one piece. So let's say I will take this piece. Okay, let's imagine this is 3 inches long. And then when you have this, there will be 2 pieces left. So this part and this part. So you could have 3 inches long from either this part or that part, which doesn't probably matter. So let's say we are going to take another 3 inches from here. So now, after taking 2 pieces, you have 1, 2, 3, actually pieces of pasta, right? So you will just keep doing this. Let's say I'm gonna take this piece. I'm gonna take the in the middle of that, and then I have one more piece now, so I can take another piece from somewhere. I can take from there. So like you can continue doing this. Like I have so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. And then that will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is one more than the number of pieces that was eaten, right? So at the end, if you have 10 pieces left, meaning that you actually have eaten 9 times, right? So you can continue doing this pattern, but I think it's always if you just have like eaten one of them, if the donkey is like finishes one more piece, that will make one more I guess string of the long that pasta, right? So I hope that this really makes sense. If not, then just continue adding these like pieces until you get um 10 pieces at the end, which will make you have 9 pieces has should be eaten. So each piece is 3 inches, like this is 3 and this is like 3 and then these are all 3. So we have 9 of these because if you want to make 10 pieces at the end, so there should be 9 of these. So that is something has to be done, which is 3 times 9. And then at the end, when you add the what's remaining, so if this is the one of the pieces at the remaining and these two, so if you add those the remaining part, that is actually 17. Not exactly what we see right now because I already have only 5. So if you just add another 4, so you will have lesser than what you will see in these regions. Okay, so kind of like makes sense, I guess. So that's 27 and 17, so that will be 44. So again, if that doesn't make sense, so here's what I'm gonna do, kind of just to make sure. Yeah, but if that makes sense, then we're already done. So I can add one pieces right there, one there, so maybe we can finish this halfway, or maybe something right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just need one more. So that will be 9 of them. So if you take these 3 inches pieces was eaten, right? And then what you were told basically is the what's left over, so which is this one, maybe that one, this piece, this piece, this piece, that piece, that piece, and that piece. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those 10 left over is actually add up to 17. That is what we are told. Again, based on my drawing, it's not like exactly the same as what happened, but maybe this is a bit smaller, maybe this is smaller, then this is bigger and stuff, but it doesn't matter. The idea is you have 10 pieces, right, at the end. So to get 10 pieces at the end, so you have to have 9 times like pieces were eaten, okay? So that's basically what's going on. So the overall, we have 44 in total that we start with. So that is the answer. I'll see you next time.